For a business, the hunt for exceptional talent is similar to searching for rare gems in a vast mine. Most HRs find themselves buried under an avalanche of resumes, desperately seeking the diamond in the rough. How to avoid that? The answer lies in our HR Talent Acquisition Guide. It isn't your typical PPT deck, it's your tactical advantage against recruitment chaos. Don't miss out on HR mastery. Download the PowerPoint guide to streamline hiring, and grab up to 15% off. This PPT preset streamlines your recruitment journey, from candidate sourcing to onboarding. Spot talent gaps with ease and get department-specific insights using this pre-built questionnaire. Outline roles for multiple vacancies, ensuring a cohesive team structure. Lay the groundwork for effective hiring using this PPT design. Tailor strategies to your organization's DNA, attract top talent, and build a future-proof team. Navigate the landscape of talent acquisition with these pre-designed PPT sets to discover internal channels, campus interactions, and web posts. Refine your talent search with this premium PPT slide. Master the art of identifying potential, sifting through resumes, and shortlisting top contenders. Transform hiring woes into wins. Download the HR Talent Acquisition PPT guide, unlock insights, and make strategic hires that shape your organization's future. Deploy this PPT set to polish your hiring process. Learn diverse interview styles, probe effectively, and spot the perfect match. Seal the deal with this pre-made, selecting the right candidate, PPT layout, and choose with clarity. Streamline the final steps with our offer letter rollout PPT set. Integrate new hires, from paperwork to culture immersion, and promote camaraderie with this pre-made PPT slide. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey with our HR Talent Acquisition Guide. From defining roles to welcoming new stars, this guide empowers you to sculpt a dream team.